All right, I've got a nice V7, V7P, 334, B45 Lockwood, VYR keyway. Nice V7. I've picked a V7 on this channel before, but this one's in a nice padlock, so I thought I'd give it a go. Also, a general channel update. I have been doing videos pretty much daily for quite a while now, but I've pretty much finally run out of locks that I can do in a hurry. So the daily videos are probably going to cease for a while. I've been trying to play with a lot of lever locks, some safe locks, things that just don't really make videos very well. The lever locks will make videos, they just, there's a lot of tool making involved, which slows things down quite a bit. So rather than being able to do one, every day or every other day, it can take a couple of days just to get all the tools made. So mostly because I haven't got a lot of time. So anyway, I expect the videos to slow down for a while. Alright, so everything sort of feels set at this point, which will mean everything is in the taper section. These whole Lockwood locks are notorious for having taper type pins in them. So I'm using pretty stiff tension. Just trying to tap each pin and hopefully get some small bits of core rotation. Hard with taper pins because sometimes you really just can't feel much, and it's easy to overset one. If you do that, you're pretty much stuffed and you don't know. Alright, we might just quickly change to I also picked this lock because I thought it might be a nice, quick, easy-ish one to, give my little spiel about why you shouldn't be worried I'm dead or something if I haven't persevered for a while. But, if the lock doesn't want to cooperate, I might have to come up with an alternate plan. It does feel like every now and then we're setting something. Just tapped something there, got a little core rotation, I think. Yep. Oh, tap. Alright, we're in a bit of a false set. That is either an excellent sign, we're up to the spool, or that we're really close on that tapering. Not really feeling any counter rotation. Let's try going back to the gem. Alright, I can feel it at the back there, but I think that's not quite the right pick to get it. Let's just find that again. Oh, got it, but we maybe dropped something else. Got it. That took a little longer than was anticipated, but we did get it open. Those Lockwood tapered pins really can put up a fight. Let's see exactly what's in this thing. Alright. Let's see. Whoa, stiff. That hasn't been undone in a long time. Alright. How it comes out nice cylinder. There you go, just the actuator and stuff down there. Alright. So, see that custom piece for the V7? See, it's got that extra wide Bible because they have come in from 2 angles. Very cool locks. Alright. Let us make sure we don't lock this back up because I do not have a key. Gently that one off. Whoops. Why am I using this screwdriver? Alright. Get that tail piece out of there. Nice and snug. And we should be fine with no follower on one of these, as long as we go an angle a bit like that. Alright. Key pins. So there you go. If you haven't seen a V7 before, 4 on the right hand side, 3 on the left hand side. They're on a bit of an angle. I'm expecting these to be standard key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Back up. Doesn't really matter, I haven't got the key anyway. Possibly we'll be able to tell because, so there's the core, nothing fancy there. Just looked like there was maybe a ledge there, but that's just discoloration. I wasn't expecting to find a ledge, so and let's get that down the keyway shot. There we go. So it does give you a reasonable amount of room to work. Okay, see they're drilled on the bottom. Tweezers. Let's see what we got. 1 standard tapered pin. Spring. 2 standard tapered pin. 3 deep little Lockwood spool. 'Got old style Lockwood spool, not the new thin-lipped Asa ones. There's another one. Standard. Standard, and get the other one from the other end. Spool at the end. So there were 3 spools. I think we only felt 2 of them. Let's just check those pin stacks. Yep, that looks to be the right way around. Those are nicely balanced. These V7s do have at least somewhat balanced pin stacks, if they've been pinned correctly. So we go. There's down there. fancy V shape, and then as you can see that pretty serious lip on these drivers here. They really do catch very well. And then these couple of nice deep spools. Yeah, put up more fight than I anticipated, but yeah, that's all upwards for you. They can be kind of easy, or they can be pretty terrible. You just never know. Anyway, that's my V7 in padlock picked, and a little channel update.